Hello everyone! Is your diesel engine struggling to start in cold weather, or do you see excessive white smoke from the exhaust? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0680 glow plug control module to PCM communication circuit malfunction, your vehicle's glow plug system isn't communicating properly with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. In this video, I'll explain what P0680 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0680 Trouble Code stands for Glow Plug Control Module to PCM Communication Circuit Malfunction. Diesel engines need glow plugs to preheat the cylinders, making cold starts smoother. The Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM, manages the operation of the glow plugs and communicates with the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If the PCM detects a communication failure with the GPCM, it triggers P0680, which can lead to hard starts, rough idling, and increased emissions. Check engine light on hard starting in cold conditions. Rough idling or engine misfires, excessive white smoke from exhaust, decreased fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0680. To diagnose P0680, check these components. Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM. Location, usually mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function, controls the power to the glow plugs. If it malfunctions, the glow plugs won't work correctly. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, typically near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, manages engine operations and communicates with the GPCM. If communication fails, it triggers P0680. Glow plug relay, location, inside the fuse box or near the engine. Function, distributes power to the glow plugs. A faulty relay can disrupt the entire system. Wiring and connectors. Location, runs between the PCM, GPCM, and glow plugs. Function, transfers electrical signals. If damaged, the circuit stays open, triggering P0680. Common causes of P0680 faulty glow plug control module, GPCM. If the module fails, it can't communicate with the PCM. Defective powertrain control module, PCM. A malfunctioning PCM might not receive signals from the GPCM. Corroded or damaged wiring. Loose or broken wires disrupt communication between the GPCM and PCM. Blown glow plug relay or fuse. A failed relay prevents the glow plug system from functioning. Bad glow pluggies. A single faulty glow plug might not trigger this code, but multiple failing plugs could. How to fix P0680. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If other glow plug codes appear, the control module might be faulty. Step 2. Inspect the glow plug control module, GPCM. Test it with a multimeter or replace it if needed. Step 3. Check wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, broken wires, or loose connections. Step 4. Test the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace if damaged. Step 5. Test the Powertrain Control Module, PCM. If other fixes don't work, a PCM diagnostic may be required. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and confirm the fix. Ignoring P0680 can lead to hard starts, rough engine performance, and increased emissions. Fixing it ensures your diesel engine runs efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0614, ECM TCM incompatible P0615, starter relay circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.